vegetables. Who will buy vegetables? All vegetables are very fresh. Who will buy? Who will buy? Ma'am, what do you need?
I want to buy 1 kg cucumber.
So this cucumber is very fresh, and this cucumber has been taken in the morning, so you can take without doubt.
How much it is?
Only 20 taka for you, ma'am. Basically, I buy 25 taka, and you are my first buyer. Okay, that's why for you 20 taka. Okay.
But I think it's too much expensive. For me.
No. This is the regular price.
Keep less a bit, please.
Okay, let's 2 taka for you.
Okay, then I will take it.
Okay, please.
Please give me.
Yeah, please.
Open the bag.
Okay.
My son.
Okay, he's very good. Who is he?
He's my son.
Oh my God. Yeah, great.
My name is Nahian.
Nahian. Anything else?
I want to buy a handful of red spinach.
Red spinach. Yeah. So you can take, ma'am. Ma'am, please take it, ma'am, please.
Okay, so how much it?
Basically, a handful of red spinach is 5 taka, but if you take 4 together, and 15 taka, ma'am.
Okay, then keep plate a little bit.
No, ma'am. There is no sacrifice here. So if you want to take, and you have to provide 15 taka.
Okay, then take it.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Please.
So my son.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Hey, please come here. Please. Okay. Hey, এদিকে আসো। এদিকে আসো। আসো, please. Okay, ma'am, and thank you very much. And please take it, ma'am. Please.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Please take lemon, ma'am. Please.
Okay.
Fresh lemon.
Then give me 2 pieces lemon.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Please take me, ma'am. That's me. Okay. So, ma'am.
How much
Ma'am,
total?
will you buy green papaya, ma'am?
No, I don't want.
Please, ma'am. There is 1 piece left, ma'am. Please take.
Okay. I will take it.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Yeah. Please, ma'am.
So how much total?
Ma'am, only 100 taka, ma'am. Please.
Only 100 taka.
100 taka, ma'am.
Keep place it. Keep place.
No, ma'am. 100 taka, please. 100 taka.
Okay. Then.
Please. No.
Give me change.
Ma'am, 100 taka.
Yes. Take it.
Oh, great. Thank you very much. Okay, please, ma'am, go. Please. Oh my God.